On behalf of the World Muay Thai Convention, yesterday, that is 6 August 2021, WMC have submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, to kindly reintroduce the Imphal Silchar air service in the public interest that was there in the past. There are two national highways, that is NH2 and NH37. However, WMC can truly say that these two national highways are not worthy to be called as national highways because they are poorly maintained. And National Highway number 2 goes through Nagaland, and NH37 directly connects with Assam's Kasar district. A distance of 253 km between Imphal and Silchar takes approximately 8 to 9 hours of grueling road journey. This arduous hill road journey is extremely difficult for the aged, women and children, etc. However, this road connects families who live on both sides. Therefore, WMC requests earnestly to the two Honorable Chief Ministers of Assam and Manipur to take up with the PMO regarding the resumption of flight service between Imphal and Silchar of Assam. Thank you.